Damn, boys. Wanna say hi to YouTube, bro? Guys, this is Julian. And we got it up. This was a pain. My heart almost stopped, guys. Like dead ass. It's so awesome. Sheesh. Can you focus? Damn. Oh wait, I'm not gonna say it on YouTube yet, but look, boys, you can see this half-ass job that I didn't do. Terrible. And the leak right here. I wonder if these are even tight enough.
They're even lined up right.
Yeah, I don't think it is. Cause look, cause you see how.
Just take them off. Yeah. I mean, probably. I don't think you take them off.
Nah, they would be a bitch to adjust. I'ma just YOLO it and just seal it with this.
Yeah. No, it looks like I got the one side right. The other side they just said fuck it. We're Because this side looks clean.
And then this side they just said fuck
This
it.
side they did really well on. This side they just said fuck it.
Like,
unfortunately.
And they use a whole different one. Cause look at this.
Oh yeah, they use completely different. Yeah, that's why.
And this side's weaker because of the fucking.
Yeah. So that's not even the right clamp. It looks like.
Gotta love it. Damn.
Do these things come with clamps stock?
No, they like I don't know what was on it before. Cause it was
I don't know how you would have broke the wire in there.
Cause I bottomed out.
Oh.
And then it literally just
But that still doesn't make
from
sense.
these two got ripped off. So just ripped it off and then it was just hanging as I drove home.
Huh.
Yeah, I don't know how nothing else got messed up.
Yeah.
It's cars. Yo, boys. So we're back. So this is what we did. Basically use the putty. Let me get my light. But we used the putty. Did a pretty thick layer around it. And it takes 5 minutes to set, but an hour to cure. And when you're rolling this, like it gets really hot, and it'll harden really fast. So make sure you do it. You mix it beforehand, and then you actually get it on there, because it will harden really quickly. So I just shoved it inside the like around the piping because it's not the right fitting. So because this is correct and this is too thick and it didn't really mold to it, so hopefully this works. We'll see. Yeah, boys. Yay. So anticlimactic. Yay. Need a bumper. Yay. Alright, boys, so while it's drying, you're gonna see the nice hole that I somehow gouged in there. Zip ties and hose will do, right? Gonna just clamp it, right? Yeah, you're gonna just clamp it on and zip tie it. And bada bing, bada boom, it's new. You feel me? And guys, comment below what trunk you think I ordered. I mean hood. Because I ordered one. Yay. Oh, what are you doing, man? And leather? Makes me want to kill myself, bro. Yeah, boys. Zip ties and hoses. It always works. Zip ties and hoses. What you guys know about that, boys? What you know about that, huh? Yeah. Let me zoom out. Watch this janky camera setup. Oh shit. Oh, that's really gonna bother. Okay, fuck you. That's whatever. That's whatever. Yo, this was like so much smarter than tape. Like if it works.
If it works.
Like,
it's the asterisk.
If it works. Guys, you gotta peep the race car. Oh. Sorry, okay. Peep the race car, guys. This thing will gap all of you. No cap. Jeez! Race car. It's dumb tough, bro. Like, damn. Fully gutted. Sheesh. Sheesh. Yeah, race car. Damn. Yo, every race car smells the same, bro. Like, this smells like my boy Z. Boys, guys, the AC works. Zip ties for the win, boys. Like, it is blowing cold air. Let's fucking go. Let's go, boys. You already know. We got the AC to work. And low-key, the exhaust is way better. It sounds a lot better. So, no more Let's go, bro. Guys, this is his race car.